Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain the best settings for Fortnite on PS5. We'll dive right into optimizing your experience. First, ensure you select Performance Mode for the smoothest gameplay, aiming for higher frame rates. Next, set your brightness to about 50%. This offers a great balance for seeing details in both bright and dark areas. Finally, keep your user interface contrast at 1.0 for crisp, easy-to-read on-screen information. These initial adjustments will significantly enhance your visual clarity and responsiveness. Moving on to visuals and graphics, let's refine your display. It's highly recommended to disable motion blur. This eliminates any blurring effects during quick movements, keeping your screen clear and focused. You can also turn off Show FPS if you prefer a cleaner screen without constant frame rate numbers. Most importantly, set your 3D resolution to 100%. This ensures you're getting the absolute sharpest image quality, making enemies and details much easier to spot across the map. Now let's fine-tune your audio and controller settings for competitive play. Visualize sound effects is a game changer. It provides visual indicators for footsteps and gunshots, giving you a significant tactical edge. For your controller, experiment with sensitivity until you find a level that allows for precise aiming and quick building. Lastly, make sure to enable Build Immediately Builder Pro to instantly place structures, drastically speeding up your construction and defensive capabilities in intense engagements. Finally, let's explore some advanced tips to further elevate your gameplay. Mastering Edit on release can dramatically boost your editing speed and consistency, making you a more formidable builder. Take time to adjust your controller dead zone settings. This helps eliminate any unwanted stick drift and provides more precise control over your movements and aiming. Lastly, consider setting your HUD scale between 75 and 85%. This creates a cleaner, less cluttered interface, allowing you to focus more on the action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.